Why is this first 1.5 degrees so worrying?
So the thing is, if this happens in the long term, then we are warned that there will be catastrophic consequences. Already, when we're at 1.1 or 1.2 degrees Celsius increase compared to pre-industrial period, we all know what's happening around the world. So if this stays for the long term, then it's going to be very, very bad. That's what we want. But in the meantime, what we're told is this could be a temporary overshoot because of factors like El Nino, for instance. But then even there, the UN has warned, the IPCC report, special report has warned us that there might be some irreversible impacts. What are those irreversible impacts? Can we live with them? That's the question now, because we're talking about tipping points, collapses, and so on and so forth.
And exactly, if the warming does continue, can we deal with the consequences?
Well, that is the thing. See, this is another report that the UN has brought out today. It's called the Adaptation Gap Report, and it emphasizes on adaptation. But are we adapting to it? What it says is almost half of the adaptation projects within the UNFCCC, that is the convention, climate convention of the UN, is not working. It's not satisfactorily working, or it's not sustainable, and so on and so forth. And the money is another issue. They say we need between 190 billion to 360 billion US dollars every year for adapting to all these changes. Whereas we just got 28 billion last year. Massive gap. And again, so many projects are not working. Why? Do we have that knowledge? Can we percolate it down to the ground? And then climate finance is not often going to adaptation. It's mostly going to mitigation, which is about installing solar panels or wind turbines and so on and so forth. So that balancing act is needed.
OK, more on the upcoming COP, no doubt. But for now, thank you very much indeed, Navin Singh Khadka.